what?
I know, so is mine.
Woohoo! Oh, sorry.
You can see it clearly to mine.
There's a guy riding his bike in the rain!
Is he coming this way?
I don't think so.
Billy!
Yeah, he is.
It's pouring rain. You liar! Hi, Wally!
It's raining! Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's have a full view. What?
You were going like this.
Hi! That's your brother.
Hey, guys.
Let's go into the rain.
I
Oh, it got stuck by one thing! Look, I feel like this.
Alright, so we're here with Iberkeys, Star, Brianna.
And Brianna looked at us too. And we're here with Ricky and Cookie Muffin Star. And kind of Phil the Bear Star.
I am not!
Becca something! Becca Blake. By the way, my name is Brianna Lynn.
Cool chiz, man, cool chiz.
But yeah, it's freaking...
Freezing out.
Those are freezing to me. It's friggin' pouring out. As you can see, you can't really see it as well as I can. I mean, look at these streets. Man, we're probably gonna get flooded again. And by the bridge where I live, we're probably gonna be a flood again. Remember that.
Hi guys, Cookie Muffin.
My feet are being
And
red.
it's pouring. I'm here with Brianna Love. Brianna Lynn.
Brianna Love 2018. Also, well, I thought it was Brianna Lynn. This is Star of Iberkeys 1987, Cookie Muffin 20, kind of Mr. Phil the Bear, Miss Becca Blake. Squishy. Oh, my friend Sophie, she said I found my menu freshly squeezed milk with Hershey's chocolate. Woohoo! Cheers!
Eat it.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. It's actually going sideways. My feet are getting so...
Right that way. Where's your umbrella? I have one. Where is it now? Inside, outside, out that way.
Look at that. I mean, seriously.
Are your feet wet?
Yeah.
Are your feet wet?
Yeah. Guys, push it, push it, push it. Record that for me, please. Okay, here's what you do. Guys, push it, push it, push it, push it. Man, that was funny. Let's record the rain. You know, I was thinking, let's record the rain. Becky's like, I will too. This is this is cold and wet. And I'm gonna have to walk in this later on. Probably not though.
Oh my god, it's getting me wet.
Push it, push it, push it, push it.
Remember, I'm gonna start all over.
We were laughing. I was like, I'm gonna start all over. And he was just running, walking by. I was like, ha ha.
So what happened was, oh my god, it's getting wet!
Oh, I want to sit here then. Woohoo! I'm not getting wet.
Remove your iPod from your face.
Oh, my legs are getting wet.
Look at those sexy legs. They're all hairy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Look at that next seed cast. We're moving. Oh my gosh, we had it back his iPod. Sorry for being too random for you.